Assignment 1.3, you're going to learn how to update your profile as well as how to Moodle message. Alright, so first things first, let's set up our Vista profile here in step 1. So we want to get out to our course front page by this link here, and the first thing we want to do is click on our name up here on the upper right. After that, we want to select My Profile. Once we select My Profile, over here on the left, under the Administration block, we want to click Edit Profile. Alright, so now we're in our profile and an editable version of it. Now there are some fields we can edit, some we cannot. I'll show you those you can. First and foremost is the description. Here you can write all kinds of things about you, or even a quote or saying that you enjoy. Below that, we have a user picture. Here's where you can upload a picture of yourself or avatar, any type of picture that you like that you want to resemble your profile. So to do that, you're going to click on Add. Then you're going to click Browse. Now if these fields don't pop up immediately, you may have to click Upload a File first. Once you do, then this will appear. You'll click Browse, and then browse your computer for the picture or avatar that you'd like to use. Once you locate it, just double click it and then select Upload this file. It'll take just a moment to load up, but when it does, it should display the picture that you just uploaded. Okay, so here's my picture. Now below that, you can put in a picture description. And finally, there is a list of interests that you can add about yourself. Again, this is public information, so individuals looking at your profile will be able to see this information. And then lastly, we have optional. Optional are a bunch of fields with different types of information. If you have a web page, different email addresses, phone number, address. Now once you've made all these changes, you want to select Update Profile. Once you've done that, you'll see your picture appear. When you hover over the picture, that's your picture description popping out. Here's the description we first looked at, and then your list of interests are down here. So that is how to update your profile. Now, speaking of profiles, we can actually go back to our course. Right now, we can get back to it via our profile. Here's the student orientation here. We're going to click on that. Alright, so now we are back in our course, but we need to get to the front page, so we'll click that link there. And here we are. Okay, now what we can do as well is we can locate other individuals' profiles in our course and send them a Moodle message, which, if we click back on assignment 1.3, is the other thing that we need to do as well. So what we've got to do is send a message to the instructor and answer the following question. Identify a backup plan if we ever have any computer internet issues. Okay, so we're going to do this via the messaging block. So let's go back to the front page of the course. And we can do this one of two ways. I'm going to show you the easier way to do it. One way we could do it is click Messages and search for the individual we want to send it to. But the easier way is to click on Participants. When we click on Participants, we can see everybody in the class, including the instructor. We just simply click on either the picture or the name, click Send a Message, and then put in the message block whatever we need to tell him. Now I'm just going to put hello. What you'll type in there will be a little more substantial as you're explaining what you do if you have internet or computer issues. Once you have typed in your response, simply select Send Message. Alright, now you'll see at the bottom what you sent to your instructor appear. And anything you get from your instructor will appear on the opposite side. So that'll come from the right side. Everything you send will appear on the left side. Everything will be time-stamped and date-stamped, and this history will stay, so you can look at this history at any time. And that is how you send Moodle messages. And we're going to go back to the course front page here. and take a look at assignment 1.3 one more time. So again, we want to set up our Vista profile. We want to set up our profile and upload a picture of yourself. And then third, send the message to your instructor via Moodle messaging.